What's up, everybody? BTB here doing a one by breaks of tribute. I'm going to keep the same combo configuration as I had for Strata, but we've got 21 different players. Some of the same, some different. Let's go ahead and re-randomize the list and put this in alphabetical order. Sort and copy. Paste. Rangers on bottom, Arizona, Milwaukee, Toronto on top. Alright, here we go. It must have been love, but it's over now. I just fucked it up, didn't I? One. Oh, shit. Rookie. Okay, I rolled 7. Y'all know me as legit and straight up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final. Boom. Copy. Alright, here we go. Copy, and now we're going to do the name. 7 times as well. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final. Boom! Jason on top. Alright, Jason with Cincinnati, KC, Miami. That's not a bad combo. Daniel with Arizona, Milwaukee, Toronto. Travis with the A's. Jeff with the Mariners. Robin with the Rangers. Tim H with the Sox. Eric with the Angels. Daniel with the Twins. Yankees, George Boy. Kessler, Mets again. Brandon B with the Orioles. Parrish with Chicago White Sox, Philadelphia, Pittsburgh. Wally with the Indians and Astros. Tim with the Cardinals. Newville with the Giants. Kessler with the Braves. Newville with the Colorado, San Diego, Washington combo. Possible Bryce Harper. Look at that. Johnny Dutcho with the Cubs. Daniel with the Dodgers. And Twister with the Tigers. But here's the thing. I mean, we pulled a decent Cub last break, but if we pulled a monster Cub here, then you're going to be happy. And those combos aren't punks, man. Cincinnati Reds has a lot of hits. Arizona does. Possible Milwaukee with, I think there's is there a Milwaukee? There's Robin Yount. No, there's not Milwaukee Braves. It'd be Atlanta Braves. Yeah, everybody trading? Or y'all just want to roll it? Let's roll it. Roll that beautiful bean footage. Let me see. Alright, here we go. Alright, I didn't even take the recording. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's roll this. Y'all know y'all's teams. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Nate B, are you cool if we do it tomorrow, brother? I gotta be up at 2 in the morning, man. You know, typically it'd be cool if the people on my ship that I work with, but I work with this one straight a-hole, man, who likes to tell on people for sleeping and all that. I have Unparalleled, but I'm telling you, man, I don't want to get caught up. And that's exactly what happens with me. It will happen with me. I was falling asleep in my chair today, man. Upton. Adrian Gonzalez. Dodgers. Oh, his daddy works for the company, man. He's a bitch. For real, dude. Like, I just don't see the point of concerning yourself with what other people do or don't do. I'm not going to get a raise out of it. I mean, shit, you do what you want. You don't even have to do your work. I don't give a damn. If it don't affect me, it don't matter to me, dude. I'm going to go live again tomorrow, Andrew. That's exactly what I want to do, Newville. I was telling that. For the Royals, Jason Johnson, a.k.a. Tenton. Johnson Customs, Jason what is it? Oh, I'm telling you. Hey, I tell you what, Johnny Dutcho, I don't want to start my time off tired. So I'm going to get my rest at work. Johnson Customs, or what is it? I'm a lab tech for a chemical company. Nice one coming up. Look at this one. Mike Trout. Precision Customs, I'm sorry. Honus Wagner for the Pirates. Parrish. And how's this for a $14 spot? Paul Molitor, number to 99 for the Brewers, Milwaukee. Going out to Danny O. I'm telling you, right? Dude, what's the big deal of getting like a 15-minute power nap, man? They do that shit all the time, like at big companies like Apple and stuff like that. Paul Molitor, Danny O. Where you at, Danny O? You better be here, damn it. Where you at, broski? Molitor. God, where you at, Danny O? There you go. That's a sick card, bro. Look at that refractor, man. Ted Williams. See, I can't do that. We're like out in the open and shit, and I try to. Okay, sometimes on weekends, I'm not gonna lie, I do find this one office, and I put like some coats, lab coats on the ground and shit, and I crash out. But it's hard to, man, because you got one eye open thinking somebody's gonna catch you, man. And I've never been a fan of jailhouse beds, you know. Number to 199, Brandon Crawford for the Giants. For the Giants, man. Irish. Refresh, Minnick. Refresh, Minnick. Can somebody tell Minnick to refresh? Tag him and tell him to refresh. Or am I still here? Mic check, vid check. Am I still here? For the Giants. Somebody just tag Minnick and just say, hey, tag. Oh, this is a nice one. These aren't. I haven't pulled any of these. Babe Ruth. Look at this one. Number to 99, Harmon Killebrew, green. Harmon Killebrew, green. For the Twins, Minnesota. Going out to Danny O. I used to watch those old school reruns of the Home Run Derby. Be like Killebrew versus Rocky Colavito or, you know, stuff like that. Look at that. Vladimir Guerrero for the Angels. Not a Mike Trout. Eric H. Look at this one. This dude had a strong-ass arm, dude. I don't like that sleeve. Vladimir Guerrero. Close out. Here, let me. Let me see. Let me tell him. Let me message him real quick. I want to make sure he can watch, man. That's important to me for y'all to be able to enjoy the break, man. Okay. All right. Look at that, Vladimir Guerrero. It's not bad, man. Trying to get Minnick in, man. He's part of the crew, man. Never leave a ripened. Oh, skunky. As if you're not satisfied from the monster strata break you just had. I got one more pack, man. Oh, wow. Noir. That's tough, man. Stan Musial. Oh, for the Cardinals. Okay. Damn. I'm going to put this up so he can watch, man. I hate that when that happens, man. I hate when that happens. Somebody write Minnie, tell him I'm gonna upload it ASAP so he can watch it after this. Greg Maddux for the Braves. Fight Doc. You didn't get skunked, Fight Doc. You didn't get skunked. I wish I knew how to help people fix their stream problems on the Facebook. Bobby Doerr for the Red Sox. Paul O'Neill for the Yankees. And last but not least, Todd Frazier for the Reds. Cincinnati coming out with 2 hits. Jason Johnson, I think it was 2. Todd Frazier, Cincinnati. Oh man! Oh my god! Oh, Minnick got me on that one, dude.